Let's see how to start spelling and grammar checker in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you want to copy read your paper or you want to proofread your paper to ensure that you didn't miss any citations or that you have, or to make sure that you have cited every single source that you have and to be able to avoid plagiarism. Now, to do that, you can head on over to the review tab, and right here, you can see the option for spelling and grammar under the proofing section. Now, when you click this, it should open up this window right here on the side, which is the editor window. Now, you'll see that there is an editor score right here, and that score is based on the number and the type of suggestions that were reviewed in your document. Now, you can check or you can set your document type to either be formal, professional, or casual. And this editor will also allow you to check for both spelling and grammar, as well as provide refinements such as clarity, conciseness, formality, inclusiveness, punctuation conventions, resume, and vocabulary. And if you have cited some works online, this will allow you to check for similarity based on those works that you have cited. And that is how you can start spelling and grammar checker in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.